Hi everyone, my name is Jotham. I'm the owner of Scimitar Designs and the maker of the RaptorLoc work holding products. Um, I wanted to show you how to quickly put together a small portable T-track setup for your Raptor bases, and these are the different tools that I'm going to end up using. In order to hold the particular set of T-track I have, I'm using these number 6 by 1/2 inch long wood screws. I'm also going to put some clear bumpers on the bottom to protect my table when I actually move this around. And I tried in the past marking with a Sharpie or a pencil, but it's hard for the colors to show up on the black. So I'm just using an engraving tool. You could probably use a knife or something like that to draw a line. It just makes it easier to see the contrast. And of course a screwdriver and one of the bases. I tend to use this T-track from Orange Aluminum. It's already got pre-drilled holes at a regular distance, and I like using it a lot. This is a 2-foot section. The actual shelving piece that I'm using for my portable, you can use any piece of wood, but the one I'm using, I picked up at Home Depot. It is a, let's see if we can see this. It is a 9.8 inch, you'll never be able to see that, 9.8 inch by 23.8 inch wide piece of shelving. The problem with this piece of MDF is that it is only 23.8 inches wide, so my T-track will overhang a little bit, but that's not a problem for my taste. If you really need to, you can hacksaw off the end and then sand it down to make sure it's not too sharp. So anyhow, let's proceed. So the first thing I'm going to do is on these bases. So the distance between these two holes is 6 inches. This is a 9.8 inch wide piece of MDF. So you're talking 3.8 difference, so 1.9 inches. To make my life easier, I don't need it perfectly centered. I'm going to do a 2-inch from the edge. So I'll take my measuring tool. Let me move this out of the way. And I will look for 2 inches and 8 inches. So mark 2 inches and 8 inches. Do the same thing on the other side. Two inches. Saying this out loud so I remember. And 8 inches. Okay, good enough. Now I could use my straight edge to do it, but I think I'll just use a piece of aluminum T-track. Get it all lined up here. You could clamp this down if you want to. I'm just going to use hand pressure and hopefully I'll be pretty good. Okay, looks good on that side, looks good on that side. Incredibly difficult to make out, but I can still make it out. Let's do it again. Aha, that did not work, and that is why we clamp. Let's try that again. Okay, that's not going to happen. I don't have the strength. Straight edge it is. Much better. Should have done that the first time. Okay, now I need to get my first holes. I only need 2 holes need to be perfect. The rest I can work out. Let's get sure here. Okay, there we go. The lighting in here is a little tough. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Now I can do the same holes going up here, so let's do that. Straight edges aligned. Same thing on the other side. Definitely should have used the straight edge before. Okay. Now, act of faith. Let's do this. I'm just drilling some starter holes. I do not really need to do that for the future ones. Before I continue, I'm going to attach the rubber bumpers, or the plastic bumpers. Quick flip. Hit it with a microfiber cloth to get off some of the dust. Grab my rubber bumpers. This part will probably be sped up because it is not that exciting. Okay, feels good. T-track on. Let's see if it looks good. Feels pretty good. A little bit more overhang on one side than I want. Yeah, that'll be fine. Again, this is quick and dirty. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does need to be good enough. Okay. Sheet metal screws. Let's see. Okay, let's test out the fit. I happen to have one of these. Let's dial it in and see how it works. Okay, fit seems good. I don't have any obvious issues. I can finish off the rest of it now. I'll just put a few extra screws in there. I don't need to do every single hole. I just need to get a few of them. I will also likely speed up this part of the video because it's just not that exciting. I'm doing this by hand because it's very easy to tear MDF, and I want to be able to feel when I reach the end of my depth. Now I'm going to have to test this again to make sure I didn't mess it up with improper holes. Done. Very simple, very straightforward, very easy to use, and safe for most countertops. Thank you for watching this short and slightly instructive video.